What you're seeing right here is the Stash app. Then, let's review it. So, if you're curious about investing with just a few bucks, and here's a quick review of the Stash app. It is an all-in-one platform that lets you invest in stocks, ETFs, and even crypto with as little as $5. It is beginner friendly and includes banking tools, a debit card, and financial education. You can choose from themed investment, set up automatic deposits, and even get stock back rewards when you spend with their debit card. Plan starts at $3 per month, which includes basic investing, or $9 per month if it is for retirement accounts and kids portfolio. But keep in mind that these fees can be high or small balances. The bottom line for this is that Stash is great for beginners wanting to learn and start small, but long term investors may want lower cost platforms.